When Brian Price left Oaklands, I took the opportunity to do my old musical Blackout, which was being prepared for publication, and here it was. So my first musical was going to be published, but there was a song in it that I hadn't written, which was Goodnight Children Everywhere. So we needed to find a little replacement song. And this has ended up being possibly the last song that I wrote until the last year or so, where I've started to write a couple more songs. And it's a lovely little tune. It's called Rockabye Rachel. So this is from the early 90s production of Blackout and appears in the published text. Rockabye Rachel, family swap, living with strangers comes as a shock. When you awake, Mum, you'll call. Up will come auntie, uncle and all. Rockabye Rachel, family swap, life will a change, your bedroom door's locked. Into a heartbreak world you've been thrown. How will you cope with this as your home? So, one of the last Wheeler songs. Music and lyrics by me. There we are.